Join me as I make a powerful and unique formula that makes hair grow a lot in a short time. It is a powerful formula that does not only grow the hair but leaves it shiny and very moisturized. If your hair falls out when you comb your hair or it's very weak and thin, then you definitely need to hop on this. After weeks of research, I found this Indian recipe to grow hair fast and stop hair loss. Today, you will learn how to make this recipe for hair with many vitamins. The best thing about this recipe is that it provides great moisture to the hair and greatly accelerates growth. One of the ingredients we will use is moringa, and many don't know that moringa is used greatly to promote massive hair growth in India. It is common for women to put moringa in their hair because it leaves the hair stronger and less brittle. If you haven't been using herbal ingredients in your hair, this video is a sign that you should start using them. There are lots and lots of benefits embedded in herbal ingredients. My hair is a living testament that herbal ingredients truly work. Look how luscious my hair is. Look how beautiful, how voluminous, how healthy my hair is looking. I have used herbal ingredients for over 6 years now and counting, and I have no regret. That is why I'm bringing this to you for you to try them as well. To begin, for today's recipe, grab a bowl like so. Make sure all the apparatus to be used are well sterilized. For my first, I have Blue Magic. This is actually hair pomade from Blue Magic, the brand. So I'm going to be using this in 1 teaspoon. Blue Magic have got different variants, but this is the one to purchase if you want to purchase. I've tried this and I really love it, and I love the effect in my hair. That is why I'm recommending it. For my next, I have shea butter. You're going to be using that in 1 teaspoonful, Then for my next ingredient, we are going to be using moringa powder. This is made from moringa leaves. When you get your moringa leaves, you dry them very well, not under direct sunlight, so that you can retain all the benefits. Then blend them, and then you have your moringa powder. Now moving on to my next ingredient, I've got rosemary leaves. These are the dry rosemary leaves. You can change yours to powdered form if you like. Now this is my herbal hair growth oil. This oil was made on this channel. You can check my previous videos for how to make this oil, and I'm going to be pouring that in about 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon. You know the drill. I had to melt everything in my water bath. Just pour some water in your pot, bring to a boil, and then place everything contained in the bowl in the water bath. Allow this to melt all the ingredients in the bowl, and then bring it down. Then try to strain. Ensure that you don't burn your fingers because this is really hot. This is very hot. So when it's warm and you're comfortable to touch it, then you can strain it. The goal is to strain it before they congeal, because you know you've got shea butter and Blue Magic pomade in it, so any slightest thing, this is going to congeal, and you don't want that. You want it in liquid form before they will congeal. So here is my jar. I'm going to be pouring that in my jar. Don't worry about the particles, because even if the particles gets to your hair, the more they stay in your hair, the more they do their job. So don't cover this. neglect that I covered it in this video. You have to leave it open for this to cool down very well. So after it's done cooling, it's going to congeal. Please do not refrigerate, because if you refrigerate, it's going to be grainy afterwards. Just place it in a cool, dry place in your kitchen counter where you don't have sunlight. Just place it there and then allow it for some time. It is going to congeal. Once it's congealed, you're going to see it in this form that I'm about to show you in this video. It is going to look so beautiful like this. Look how rich and beautiful this pomade is. So you've just learned how to combine one or two ingredients that you can find around you to make a potent hair growth product that you can use at home. I mean, you don't appreciate us enough for bringing you these ingredients bomber to bomber for years now. Like, give us our accolades in the comment section below. Give us our flowers. For years we've been consistent. Come on, we've helped loads of women grow back their hair, gain back their confidence level by using these herbal ingredients. Come on, give us our accolade in the comment section below. Just tell us something nice. Just tell me something nice in the comment section below. Just love up on us in the comment section below, because we are doing a good job. Believe it or not, we are doing a good job. That being said, this product is to be applied as a sealant. That is, after applying your leave-in cream, you're going to use this to seal it up. The reason why you need a pomade to seal up your leave-in cream is just so moisture can last in your hair. Now, this product is going to help strengthen your hair follicles. It's going to help strengthen your hair strands so that your hair doesn't break or shed. Don't forget that you can apply this product on your scalp, and that is occasionally, especially if you have sensitive scalp. Do not apply this every time. Just apply it periodically so that it can also help with hair growth from your scalp, because it can stimulate hair growth. That's the best word to use. It can stimulate hair growth on the scalp, because hair grows from the scalp and you need something to stimulate your hair growth. But applying it on your hair shaft, this is definitely going to help strengthen your hair strands. Whenever you're using this product, ensure you apply on your hair tips. Before I forget, please do not use this product on kids younger than 2 years old. This product is to be used from 2 years old upwards. Butters, hair growth butters are gradually fading away. That's because we've got a better option, that is pomade in this form. Now, if you try this pomade and you do it very well, you make it very well. If you want to make this pomade and you try any of the recipes made on this channel, especially this one, you're never going to try hair growth butter anymore. You're not going to be using hair growth butter. I so much love this pomade because it keeps moisture in my hair for the longest of time. All right, if you're to apply this product on your scalp, ensure that you massage. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, in the comment section, ask your questions, ask away. Remember to give us a thumbs up and share.